Other companies that do have pergolas say they close, but they don't close completely, and water can come in through the side. And that is not a complete weather-tight, wind, rain, tight-proof pergola.
I'm here in Houston, Texas to go over the 5 red flags of a bad aluminum pergola contractor and how to avoid them. I'm here with Russ Whetstone, an expert in aluminum pergola construction and over 20 years contracting experience right here in Houston. I don't want you to hold back, all right?
Got it.
Let's get into it. Number 1, bad response time. Is this usually an indicator of things to come in your experience?
100%. If a contractor is not willing to see you within a couple of days, then that's a bad sign. If the contractor says, we can install this in 3 weeks, that's normally a bad sign. Our product is customized. It's gonna take a little bit of time. We typically can do it within 5 to 6 weeks.
How does a good contractor keep good communication with a potential client?
Yeah, our team, we will communicate with our customers, our clients, consistently. We're gonna tell them where they are in the process, where your pergola is being made, and when it's gonna be completed and arrive in our warehouse. And then from there, we'll tell our customer exactly when it's gonna be installed.
Red flag number 2, unrealistic lead times or pricing. So what happens if I get a really low quote? What should my first impression be?
If you get a really low quote, that means that you're gonna get a very low quality pergola. Something that's not gonna stand up to the test of time. The weather, the rain here in Houston, Texas, it's gonna either fall down or be dilapidated, bent in, bent out, warped all over the place over time. With us, we're gonna give you an exact rendering of what your product's gonna look like, and it's gonna last the test of time.
So if I get a low price and a short lead time, I can expect what?
Something coming overseas, probably from China, or it is a dishonest contractor, somebody trying to take your money up front, and then they'll call you back in 2 to 3 weeks and say, hey, shipping's delayed or whatnot, and then it ends up being, 12
Kicking
weeks.
the can down the road.
Correct.
Yeah, while they have your money tied up.
That's right.
Okay, so red flag number 3, if a contractor is not bonded or insured.
That is the worst case scenario for a client, that somebody gets hurt on your property and the contractor is not fully licensed, bonded, or insured. We are completely insured to the highest degree here in the state of Texas. And if something were to happen on the job site, which never has happened, but if something were to happen, we'll take care of it for the customer.
All right, red flag number 4, no transparency on the pergola system. So if a contractor comes to my house, is he just gonna install whatever pergola he picks out of his shop that week, or does he have a standard?
That could easily be the case. They could literally buy something from Costco. They could order something from China. They could get something from another company and have no idea how the installation works. Versus what we do in our company, we only install the Azenco product. We are experts in that product, and we'll be able to share with the customer, all the ins and outs and the pluses of the product because we're experts in it.
Tell me more about being trained on a system. If a person is installing, would they have formal training hosted by the manufacturer? How does that work?
100%. Our team went into the corporate headquarters in Miami, and we were fully trained over 3 days on how to do the installation. So in fact, on our first install, Tom, who is the technical expert at Azenco, he flew into town and walked us through our very first install to make sure that we were doing it correctly. Our job as a construction company is to make sure the job is done right the first time. And now that we've installed well over 50 Azenco pergolas, we are the expert in what we do.
When I'm shopping, can I expect a visual layout, brochures, website, configurators?
Absolutely. First of all, most of our customers will go to our website first. They'll browse the website and kind of look at what they want. Then when we go on site, we'll draw it manually. We'll give them different options. Then we'll put it into our configurator and give them a 3D rendering so they can look at it. Not only in the daytime, they can look at it at nighttime. They can turn it off, turn the lights on, and so forth. Customers want to see what they're getting, and that's what we will provide for them.
And a bad contractor might just show you something on a scratch pad and say, sign here.
That's it.
Excellent.
That's it.
Talk to me about warranties. What if a contractor comes to my house and says this is a set it and forget about me situation?
That's a huge red flag, Grant. You have to carry a warranty. Our warranty is 15 years. So if something goes wrong during that time frame, we're going to be able to take care of our customers. We're local. We're here in Houston. We're not just flying in and building something for a customer. No, We're going to take care of our customers because that is what we do.
All right, red flag number 5, when a contractor tells you a pergola is a dry environment. Why is that false in some cases?
Well, in most cases, it is false. We live here in Houston, Texas, where it rains all the time. So with our pergola, it closes completely tight, no water, meaning it is completely water resistant. Other companies that do have louvered pergolas say they close, but they don't close completely, and water can come in through the side. And that is not a complete weather-tight, wind, rain, tight-proof pergola.
We're in Texas. It's hot and it's rainy. How do you educate customers and set realistic expectations for comfort in their yard?
And that's the key word, Grant, education. We teach them about our pergolas. For example, if it's really hot and the roof is closed, we educate them to open it at a 30-degree angle to allow that heat to come out. That creates a little bit of a breezeway in there, okay? Obviously, when it rains, we want it to be shut. But we teach our clients little tricks that only people, experts in the industry would know.
So that's the 5 main red flags. Can you give me a bonus red flag in your years of experience?
Big bonus red flag is after install. Even though we are experts at what we do, sometimes things go wrong. Power may go out, the lights may go out, or something happens, maybe due to electrical or whatnot. You want a reputable company that's going to be able to, you can call up and say, hey, Russ, something's wrong with a pergola. Can you come help? Absolutely, Mrs. Jones. We'll come out there and we'll take care of your problem for you.
Makes a lot of sense to me.
But if you are a company in the back of your truck, they're already gone.
Gotcha. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the 5 red flags to avoid when shopping for a luxury aluminum pergola. Remember that this is an addition to your house and it is a potential investment or liability. The choice is really yours. Thanks a lot, Russ.
Thank you, Grant.